How's it going, Stats? Look at this. I have these. Brought them home with me. You know what that means? It means that you guys can't steal them. Oh, and if you do steal them and hide them in my house, then that's a worse problem. It'd be like trespassing, and you're not following that stay-at-home order, which, you know, is probably less important than trespassing, but anyway. You're going to hear a lot of ums and ugh throughout this because I'm uncomfortable getting video recorded. This is not how I was planning to teach, and I'm sure this is not how you were planning on learning, so sorry about that, guys. I know that life is weird right now, and we're just going to have to keep going no matter what. And I'm also planning on not editing this because, that's a lot of time. This is already going to take a lot of time to make these videos, so no thank you. With that, you should know that I'm probably going to get interrupted by Zandy or Penny at some point, which I'm sure you're rooting for. But Bo is currently holding them prisoner downstairs in the playroom. But I'm sure screams. You'll hear screams. Nobody's being murdered at my house that I know of. And hopefully everything will be okay. But it is very possible a little boy will walk in here demanding snacks. And I'm sure the probability that that's going to happen over the next few weeks, it's got to be like 100%. It is not 50-50 for those of you yelling that at your video right now. How dare you? 50-50 is not a good thing to say in stats unless the odds are actually 50-50. You monsters. All right, well, I have a to-do list today. It says things to do. Start watching the video. All right, well, that one's done. That feels good. Realize you should print off the puzzle or open it on your phone so you can write on it. Now, the puzzle is posted on Schoology. I'm guessing you probably haven't printed it off yet, but you should. Print off this puzzle so you can do the warm-up with me, or open it up on your phone and get some sort of writing utensil going so that you can write on it. I'm going to be coloring in with colors, but you don't have to do that. You can do, like, up on the top in the directions, you can use an X for no and just color it in for yes or whatever you feel like doing. I'm sure if you explain it to me, I'll understand what your answer is. And just send a picture to me when you're done of the puzzle. Okay, so realize that you're supposed to do that. Pause video and do that. Okay, go ahead and pause the video if you haven't done that already. Pausing music. I'm gonna give you some pausing music. Do-do-do-do-do-do. You didn't pause, did you? You didn't pause at all. Okay. Well, dumb story about my life. All right, well, here's a fun story. Kind of fun for you, probably, not for me. I was on a phone call with a parent recently, and I had Zandy walk up to me during the phone call and loudly say, easily loudly so that the parent could hear, that he had a big poop and that I should come see. So that was a nice moment. Luckily, the parent thought it was funny. Very embarrassing for me. But anyway. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to try the puzzle. You have to finish it by Thursday, which is 4/2 for extra credit if you are interested. So this is called Fill-a-Pix. This does not make a picture. Wouldn't that be nice if it did? It does not. So you're going to need 2 colors for this. I might want to pause and go get some colors right now. You're going to need a yes color and a no color. For me, blue will be yes and orange will be no. So, how this generally works is that if you look at a number like this number 6 right here, what that means is that in the 9 squares that are surrounding the 6, including the square that the 6 is on, that's 9 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that out of those 9 squares, that 6 of them will be colored the yes color and 3 of them will be colored the no color, because 6 plus 3 is 9, and you guys are in AP Stats, so I feel like you know that. Okay, so the easy places to start are probably with zeros. Zeros are all no colors all around. It's my son slamming a door downstairs. I do not think my husband is going to be able to keep him in place this whole time. Why would he? That's crazy to think that a kid would stay in one place. He needs to come upstairs and ask Mommy for some peanut butter crackers. My son has eaten so many peanut butter crackers in the last few days, and I have unabashedly been giving them to him. Like, He's like, can I have some peanut butter crackers? And I'm like, heck yes you can, no problem. Have some more peanut butter crackers. Somehow I've deemed this like a healthy snack, and those are like those, whatever, prepackaged peanut butter crackers. Yeah, look at that, not even in the lines, not even doing this nicely. This is not ASMR. Okay, next thing is that 9s are pretty easy to do because you know that all of those are filled in. Okay, so there we are. Okay, so the next, let's see, the next easiest move here is this 6, which is on this right side. You can see that this 6 already has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 yeses, which means the rest of them are no's. So that's a no right there. And then after that, we can look at this 7 right here. This 7, no, this upper 7. This upper 7 right here, you see how 2 of them are already no spots, and there's only 9 total spots, so that means all the rest of them have to be yeses. By the way, if you're thinking, is she really going to do this entire puzzle right now on this video? No, I'm not, but this is, I mean, it's Puzzle Monday. We had to do it, of course. But also the nice news is that your lessons will be done this way as well. So I'll send you the notes every week, and you can print them off and add to them or just put them in your notebook, whatever you want. The reason I just did that was because this 7 right here already has 7, so I knew those 2 had to be no's. I'm just going to finish this corner here to make it a little easier for you. So I did the 7 and the 7. Okay, now how about this 6? This 6 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blues already, which means that these 2 are no's. If I'm going too fast or this gets overwhelming for you, just pause the video. You've got control over a video. Come on. Unlike real life where you couldn't pause me. This one I did because this 4 right here already had 3 spots but only had 1 corner left, so that had to be a yes.